Welcome back, Geometry iPad Initiative students. This is the second half of section 2.7, which is the paragraph proofs portion of this. So a paragraph, it tells you exactly what it is. We're going to write those reasons and the statements all in one sentence that kind of go along and form a paragraph for the proof. So it's just kind of organize it in a paragraph form. So they're probably going to give us a paragraph proof right down here, it looks like, and we're going to have to write that as a 2-column proof. So again, they give us all the information, and we just got to funnel this into a 2-column proof again. So not too hard, because everything is listed out for you. So notice the given information is probably going to start off with the given information again on any type of proof. It usually does. And then at the end you're going to see what we're trying to prove. And if you wanted to read through this one, you notice that there's the reason, there's the statement. And then it looks like we're given another statement followed by another reason. So my guess is that we're going to have another statement and might be missing a little bit there on that definition, it looks like. That's alright, we'll continue on, and then by substitution we have what we're trying to prove there. So let's see if we can't figure this out then. So the first thing, notice is the given information to us, just like any other type of proof. And we're going to list given for the reason. Alright, second thing here. So I've done that. I'm just going to follow along here. We've got angle 3 and angle 4 are supplementary. And that is by the linear pair theorem. So I'm going to cross it off. I'm going to go on to the next one here, which is the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 180 degrees. And that just has definition. So that's going to be definition of supplementary angles. So I'm going to cross it off because we've got it done. And then this last thing here, what we're trying to prove, notice, is that the measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 180 degrees. And the reason is given to us. So everything for the entire problem is mapped out for you. All you had to do is write it in a different form. So not too hard of work there. Regular geometry students would be doing 5 and 9 from page 122 at this point. We're going to truck on through here and try and get this last one knocked out here. Looks like we're going to be given a 2-column proof, and we're going to try and write that as a paragraph proof. Okay? So I'm going to try and just move this up. Oops. Maybe I need to highlight all that. Get it all in there together. Group it. And I think I'm going to move that on up out of our way a little bit. Hopefully we can still read it, because I'm going to have to write it as a paragraph down here. Alright. So it looks like we're going to put something about by the given angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary, and that, well, I guess that's all we're given right there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that period there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put by definition of complementary angles, measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 equals 90 degrees. And then angle 1 is congruent to angle 3, and angle 2 is congruent to angle 4 by vertical angles theorem. Notice I'm abbreviating a lot, feel free to do that. And then by the definition of congruent angles, the measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 3, and the measure of angle 2 equals the measure of angle 4. Okay? Then measure of angle 3 plus the measure of angle 4 equals 90 degrees by substitution. Oops. Let's erase. Maybe. There we go. By substitution. And therefore, measure of angle 3 and the measure of angle 4 are complementary by definition of complementary angles. So all we did was take the 2-column, rewrite it as a paragraph proof. It was all mapped out for us. We just wrote it in sentence form with the statements and reasons along with it. So pretty easy little section here for you. That concludes section 2.7, which is over flowchart and paragraph proofs. I hope you have a wonderful day. Mr. Lane signing off from OHS High School.